Hey guys, it's Melissa again, and today I'm going to review another item for you guys. Yes, have you guys heard of Influenster? Okay, it's a free site for you guys to get items, either mini or full-size products to review. So I will have the link in the description box for that. It's called Influenster, and they send you free products to review. And they send them in a box. So before I get started, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, because I have a lot of reviews to do. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so Influenster. I am an influencer. You review products. I review a lot of products. Back in the day, I did them a lot, but I had stopped for a while. So they sent me more boxes again. And you connect a lot of your social media. They want you to share it, review it. Honest reviews, guys. And yeah, they'll keep sending you products. So this Influencer box is the native Influencer box. And we're going to open this up. I have not opened it yet to see what's in it. It says new at Target. It has a little Target symbol. Can you guys see that? So I'm assuming you can pick these up at Target. As soon as I figure out how to open this box up, let's see. Okay, give me 1 minute. We're going to open this box. Guys, I can't open boxes. It was just this little flap on the side. So anyway, okay guys, so this is what the box looks like, and it has all the little products in it. That. Yeah, they sent me a lot of cute products. So you see this big old box here. So they sent me a Gillette Venus razor, and it's a Vera Bradley razor, guys. Comfort Glide Sugar Berry. So I guess it smells like sugar berry. Yeah. Let's open the box. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, guys. So in the box comes like this. It's a pretty razor. This is the bottom piece, and I guess inside here. Oh, ooh. And they come in little. Wow, look at that. Little pouches. That is so freaking cute. You know, I think everything's cute anyways, but, and this is the top. Oh, and it smells so good. I guess that's like soap on the top. Let me not cut myself. And yeah, I'm familiar with these razors because I use them all the time, but this is how it looks. Really cute. It smells amazing. I guess that's the scent is sugar berry. So that's the first item. I'm going to try that out because I need to shave. And so also in the box, they give you a little card to say what you have. And it just says all the stuff that came in the box. So, and it's a native box. So they call the boxes box boxes. Okay, guys? So the next two items they gave me is some native toothpaste. Am I turning that right? Okay, no. Native toothpaste. And this is a charcoal detoxifying mint toothpaste. Okay, guys? Let's see. Does it say anything? Brush, rinse, smile. That's pretty much all it says on the back. Okay. So I'm going to open that up. It's probably sealed. Oh, and it's like a brown color. Oops, sorry. Brown color. Because it's charcoal, right? I just said that. Okay, and then the next item is the shave cream. Okay, Vera Bradley shave cream. And this is in the scent of honey flower, and it has shea butter in it. So that's to help, this is to go with the shaver. Oh, it smells, it's a light scent. So that is awesome. So guys, please go check out Influenster. If you want to be a product reviewer for free, it's free, guys. It's free. Go check them out. I will leave the product link, or not the product link, I'll leave the site of Influenster in my description box. So go check that out if you want to do this, because they'll send you full sizes, mini sizes. They give me a mini size in the toothpaste, but I mean, they want me to try it. So it's charcoal toothpaste too. So fluoride free, detoxifying. So guys, check them out. So that's the end of my video, guys. Quick and easy video. I will see you guys later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I'm coming to you with another Dollar Tree